So in this video, I'm gonna show you what exactly is Obimy app, why is it going viral on TikTok, and it's growing in top charts in the US App Store. So as you can see, it's number 3 in lifestyle category, just below Tinder and Pinterest, which is crazy. And what is Sansager, as the developers of this app call it, and all of that. So basically, also this app is developed by Ukrainians, so it's really amazing. Stand with Ukraine and yeah, support us. And yeah, by the way, so let's just get into it. So the idea of the app is super neat. I think it's actually really amazing. So via this app, you can interact through simple actions like kiss, hug, touch, and share your mood. So the focus of this app is that you are not sending pictures or not sending text messages, but you sending these actions through vibrations of the phone and through notifications. So you can create an account. I will show you how to do it. And then you can't send text, you can send images or video, a voice message, as you can do on any other messenger app, on WhatsApp and so on. But you can just send a touch, for example, or something like that. And then your phone will start vibrating, and then you can send another cute touch or something like that. There are different types of actions, and you will receive a different vibration. So instead of sending a text, hey, what's up, or how are you, you just send a little vibration, and like your partner can know all these types of vibrations. So you can see here low pinch, kiss, hug, touch. And when it's important for you to know the mood of your loved one. So you can also request, ask a mood, send your mood in specific style. So it's much more interesting than just sending a text. And the developers of this app are calling it a Sensager. It's a place where I show my feelings, because sometimes words aren't enough. It's a new way to flirt from a distance for me. I can kiss, hug, touch someone I haven't seen for so long. So that's the idea of the app. It was released more than a year ago, I guess, but now it was updated. There are so many new improvements. There are still some bugs. I will go about it in the end of the video, but overall it works really amazing. So let's just go through that. So here is the home screen, and you just need to create an account here. Share senses, there are plenty to choose from, and they have cute animation. Go ahead and try. Steps, heartbeats, sizes, take care about your beloved ones wherever they are. So the cool thing also in this app, you can give access to your health data, like via iPhone. And then you can see your heart rate or your partner's friend's heart rate, number of steps, and then also clothing sizes, so you can do some surprises and all of that. I actually don't know why you need clothing size, and I didn't figure out that feature completely, but I think it's really cool that maybe you can send a surprise t-shirt or swag. So let's discover that. So here's how you can create an account. You just need to enter your phone number. You can choose any country. This app is available worldwide, not only United States or Canada or Europe. But the downside of it is that you can only use phone number. A lot of people are complaining that you can't sign on with just email. People don't want to give their phone number, or even some people don't have a phone number, or some people want to use sign up with Apple, or I don't know, with Google, which is faster. At this moment, it's not possible, so it's only that. So I will just show you in a demo just with a test number. So yeah, by the way, you can also use some of the apps if you don't have a phone number. So there you have it, and then you just created an account. So this is how the app looks like, very minimalistic, and I also like this design approach. So this is your profile, and basically if you tap and hold, you can share your mood. So your mood can be sad, okay, and pretty good. And then you can tap on the colors. You can select different colors. And also, if you want to buy all colors, you will need to get a color pack, which is just $1.99, but that's one-time purchase, and that's not a monthly subscription, so it's pretty cheap. As I understand, in this app there is no upgrade option, but let's talk about it later. So anyways, why you need that? First of all, you just need to add a friend. So you need to give access to your contact list on iOS, and then yeah, you can just generate this link and then just invite or just share your link via via email or like via messengers and stuff like that. So then you just need to add a friend or your partner or anyone with who you want to share these senses. And then basically I already did that, so your friend will appear here on the screen, so you just need to swipe right, and here is this your friend. So now is the cool part. So now I can tap on my friend and tap on this icon, and then I can send all these types of actions or emotions. So I can send love pinch, and then like as you can see, because I'm using test account, that this person sent you love pinch. I can send a kiss, and I will also feel like a phone vibration, like different types of vibration. So the thing is, like, my phone starts vibrating and I also receive a notification, and I don't need to yeah, like something like that, and then I just get notification and my phone vibrates in a bit different way. So by this vibration I can differentiate which type of emotion is sent to me, or just touch. So that's really amazing, because yeah, for some people it's just easier to send this and you don't need like to go to WhatsApp or any other messenger and write some long messages. And there are different types of emotions: warm, playful, passion. So you can see all types of senses which you can send, but to unlock these senses, again, you need to upgrade for $1.99. This is the price which you need to pay, and that's again one-time payment. Yeah, it's not a monthly subscription. It's actually pretty cheap. So yeah, so as you can see, you can get all the colors for $1.99, all the senses here for $1.99. Yeah, so that's pretty cheap. My guess is that, of course, developers will just introduce probably some premium version, like some monthly subscription in the future, because this app just basically just last day skyrocketed through the App Store rankings due to probably some viral TikTok videos and really nice idea and app improvements. So that's basically the idea. And then, of course, when you added a friend, you can share a mood. So now I can just share a mood that I'm feeling good, and then this mood will appear again as notification in my friend's feed, and then the friend can tap on that notification and share his or her mood. I don't know honestly how to request mood, so I don't know about that. So yep. So I don't know that. And then in the bottom right, you can also select different types of clothing sizes for US, EU, UK, Japan. So you can do that. Yeah, you can select your height depending on the region, and if you set it up for one region, it will be available through all regions and automatically convert it for you. I don't know what's the end use of this feature, because I just added, and like how, so now I can send some t-shirt or some surprise gift, but like where do I do that? So I don't completely understand this feature. I didn't find like specific button or something where to do that. Then you can see the timeline, so you can see that your friend basically sent you all these emotions and all these moods. Yeah, to add friend I already showed you, and then this is your current mood, and these are your friends. You can edit your friends, you can rename, You can delete your friends, you can move around. Yes, you can add many people and you can invite as many people as you want to the app. There are no limitations, there is no waiting list, this app is not closed, and all of that. So that's pretty cool. And then in the top right there is your icon. You can tap on your profile, you can change your name, change your birth date. There is no profile picture. There is no username. You can't add people by username by searching them in the app. It's not possible. So only we are adding your contact book and inviting people. In the bottom, if you're not happy, you can just delete an account. Maybe you are concerned about your privacy or your data, so your timeline history, so you can just remove it here. We are sorry to hear you go. We will delete your data permanently. So that's that. But yeah, you can easily edit your profile. By the way, this app is also available on Google Play Store on Android, so that's fun. So yeah, if your partner has an Android phone, you can easily use it also with Android. So that's cool because some apps just only have that, like some couple apps that are only available on iPhone and stuff. And then if your partner uses like Google Pixel or something, it's not possible to actually use this app. Then you have support options. As I said, yeah, support@obimy.com. Just send your feedback here. Yeah, as I said, there are still few bugs here and there. And yeah, because this app was developed more than a year ago, then I don't know if there was a lot of work here, but then it skyrocketed through the charts and people discovered more bugs. So just make sure to update this app constantly, or you can just wait. Yeah, by the way, we can just go through some reviews and see some most common bugs. Usually people will just write them in the App Store reviews. So here is the app. And you can see that just 98 ratings so far, but of course you will have more. And the ratings 3.8 out of 5. Some people are asking for more emotes and more actions. So as you can see, this was the full selection of the actions you could use. Yeah, I agree. You probably need more, and developers are writing that they will add more ASAP. Some people say that the heart rate won't show up. So to have heart rate show up, you need to connect the app to Apple Health or Google Fit, but also you need to have some kind of a wearable like Apple Watch, for example, or some other wearable. It won't count your heartbeat just with the phone, so that's the thing. And then yeah, you can see steps in the top left part here. I didn't connect it to my health data, but when you create an account, you need to confirm that you want to track your heartbeat and steps, and then they will appear in top left, and then your partner can see that. So that makes this app even more kind of sensible and yeah, more fun to use. So you can share like your heartbeat with your partner and all of that. For some people, they don't get notifications, so you can always reach out to support@obimy.com. Make sure that your notifications are enabled in the settings app, and try to download, restart the app, try to update. Usually just try to update, because there are a lot of bug fixes in every update. So yeah, so much potential. People are writing this is amazing app for distant relationships, or if you're traveling somewhere and you just send in like a text or like some message on Instagram, or somewhere else. It's fun, but it's like so standard. Like using this app is much more romantic, I think. So there you have it. A lot of people again asking for more emotions, some glitches, and so clothing size, And some people, yeah, are concerned that you can only sign up with the phone number, not with your email, so that's an issue. Great app, many thanks, suggestions, heartbeat. And I also tried to sign up, and there were a few errors here and there not working. But overall, the app is constantly updated these days, so there is update after update. So just make sure to upgrade it. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. I think yeah, it comes in line with some other new interesting apps like Locket Widget or Noted app. Locket Widget basically helps you to install a widget on your phone, and then you can just send instant photos to your friends. Noted widgets allows you to send like drawings and notes to your widget on home screen. So these are basically the apps which are really, minimizing the effort to communication, because like, to in standard apps, like that's just my thoughts, like in Facebook Messenger or something, you need to go open the app, tap on the chat, and only then you will receive some voice message or some text. Here you get it instantly. Your phone starts vibrating, or you open like a widget and you see the real-time updating image. So you don't need like to do like 5 taps to get to the message. It's instant. So I think that's one of the future ways for the app development, and it's really a lot of potential here. Let's see how Facebook, Instagram, like TikTok are dealing with all of it. It's really interesting new developments in social media space, and there are more and more apps like that. I guess like in a few weeks there will be similar apps around these touches. And actually, but of course, I think Obimy is still the best one. And there are already trending devices that basically you can buy something not like an Apple Watch, but something similar to Fitbit. Buy pair of that, and then you have an app, and you can tap on your Fitbit, and the other person will receive that tap on her Fitbit. It's not Fitbit, but it's like some similar device in that area. So this is basically also the idea of this app, that you can communicate without text messages, without images, videos, or voice messages, just with the with the touches and all these senses. So that's super cute direction of apps. Definitely will help you out in your relationship, probably. If you want to try it out, it for sure can be a lot of fun if you like it. So yeah, that's the idea. Hope you enjoyed this overview. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, visit my blog mrhack.io. I also have a podcast, TikTok channel. So thank you for watching. Like this video and see you in the next videos.